What's up? It's your boy Tony. Yeah, so today we are at the temple right now. So yeah, it's pretty fun though. We have a blast. I have a blast with my family. So just walking around, me and my sister, my mom. I don't know where she at. She with her friend over there. But we just walking around, just buying stuff, and just having a blast. Just this Cambodian New Year, baby. Like it's April. I think New Year. We have New Year like every year around April 14th, around those time. April 14th, and I think we had like New Year like a couple of weeks, about 2 weeks. But in Cambodia they have like a whole month of New Year. So when Cambodian New Year hit over there, my country though, the motherland, they have a whole month. So lucky, I wish I was there, but that's too far, that's like across the ocean. So over here it's like, hey, look at my baby right there. Yeah, look at my baby. She having fun too. My baby having fun. And yeah, so this is Philadelphia, Southwest, located in Southwest. The temple is big. It's getting there. It's big. It's nice. So yeah, look at Lonnie. Bye-bye. My baby right there. My baby look nice. No. Look at her hair. No. Try to mess her hair up. Come on now. Try to fix that. Yeah. So it's Cambodian, baby. Yeah, New Year 2025. So, alright, so, your boy about to be out, okay? Enjoy the video. Sorry. Oh, there you go, YouTuber guy. Show's over. You having fun? You having fun, Bobo?
ជំរាបតារាជំរាបមកពីពេលឡាយហើយបាទតែមកពីឡាយមកចឹងណាចឹងមកខាត់ពេលខ្ញុំនឹងសូមអញ្ជើញតារាខ្មែរKarenហើយក៏សូមអញ្ជើញពេលអាស្វ័នបាទសូមចាំឲ្យមួយសូមអបអរសាទរបាទហើយមិនដែរមានតារាមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងមិនដែរឃើញមនុស្សកកអញ្ចឹងពិតជាមានសុខភាពឃើញបងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងជួបជុំគ្នាដកឆ្នាំមានម្ដង